Hello, ako po si Binsoy Basilio. Isa pa akong home-based business owner and I'm recording this video right now sa home office ko dito sa Project 2 Quezon City. Okay, I'm shooting this video because I want to invite you this coming Monday, August 24, 2015, magkakaroon ako ng free live training webinar. Okay, para sa'yo. And I'm inviting you na manood ka. This is going to be an exciting webinar dahil ang topic nito is how to start the best business in the world. Okay, so in my experience, isa po akong dating empleyado. I was employed in the BPO industry for 7 years. So nagtrabaho ako sa call center. And if you're also an employee right now, I know how it feels na araw-araw yung routine ko. Yung routine is from home to work. Yan, home to work, araw-araw. So I know how it feels. And if you're somebody na pagod na sa ganong klaseng lifestyle, okay, ay may gusto lang ako i-share sa inyo na naging experience ko rin. Ang daming magandang nangyari sa akin since I quit my job, since I moved out of the corporate environment. Ang daming nangyaring maganda. Kaya excited akong i-share sa inyo yung mga experiences ko. Okay, so how to start the best business in the world. Gusto kong i-share din sa inyo kasi if you're also a business owner right now, okay, yung mga topics na ituturo ko sa iyo, makakatulong to sa iyo kung paano patakbuhin ng mas maganda pa yung existing business mo. And it doesn't matter kung anong industriya ka na belong. If you're a traditional business owner, if you're a network marketer, if you're an internet marketer, mas lalong makakatulong sa iyo to. Okay? So in this free training, right, you will learn why starting a business is a lot challenging than you think. Okay? And you will also learn what's the best business to start with, especially if you're a beginner, and why it's also the best business in the world. Itong ituturo ko. Okay? And third, you will discover the best type of products to sell. And fourth, you will learn how to start this kind of business correctly. Alright, so may guide akong ibibigay sa inyo. So, abangan niyo yan. Napaka-exciting. And lastly, you will learn how to use your acquired knowledge in running this business to scale up or start a business that you love. Okay, so napaka-exciting. So, kung gusto mo ng something new this 2015, I strongly advise that you attend this upcoming webinar. Ulitin ko, it's on August 24. Monday at 9 o'clock p.m. Okay, on this page, may link dito. I-click mo lang yung link or merong registration page. Okay, basta may link dito kung paano mag-register sa webinar. And when you register, padadalan ka namin ng link kung saan yung live training. Okay, this is going to be free. And if you really want a change in your life for the better, and kung gusto mong i-share to sa mga tao na sa tingin mo makakatulong, okay, kung wala kang ginagawa, kung tambay ka ngayon, empleyado ka, right, if you're a business owner, or gusto mo mag-expand, gusto mo magkaroon ng knowledge kung ano yung pinaka the best business in the world right now, then attend this webinar. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you there.